To schedule Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Social Media Toolkit section. This is a comprehensive platform that helps you manage and schedule your social media posts across various platforms. First, connect your social media accounts to Semrush by clicking on the Add Profile button and following the prompts to authenticate your accounts. This will allow you to manage all your social media profiles from one place. Next, create a new post by clicking on the Create Post button and selecting the social media platform you want to post on. You can add text, images, and videos to your post, and also add links to drive traffic to your website. To schedule your post, click on the Scheduling tab and select the date and time you want your post to go live. You can also set your post to repeat at regular intervals, such as daily or weekly, to keep your audience engaged. One of the key features of Semrush Social Media Toolkit is its content calendar, which allows you to plan and organize your social media content in advance. You can view your scheduled posts in a calendar format, making it easy to visualize your content strategy and make adjustments as needed. Another important feature is the Analytics section, which provides insights into your social media performance, including engagement rates, reach, and clicks. This data can help you refine your content strategy and optimize your social media campaigns for better results. To get the most out of Semrush Social Media Toolkit, it's essential to track your performance regularly and adjust your scheduling strategy accordingly. This may involve experimenting with different posting schedules, content types, and engagement tactics to see what works best for your audience. By following these steps and leveraging the features of Semrush Social Media Toolkit, you can streamline your social media management, save time, and increase your online presence. Remember to keep your content engaging, relevant, and consistent to maximize your social media ROI.